This is the set that I bought. It comes with a pop filter. Okay, this is to prevent wind noise, yeah, or we accidentally blow on the microphone, then this will actually filter for you, so you won't be able to hear the wind noise, yeah. About the same function. So when I have this on, I don't use this. This is a phantom power. Okay, basically this is to power up the mic handle. You can actually attach this to any tables or any flat surface which have about 2.5 or 3 inch, yeah, of thickness, and this will goes in here. It got a battery in there, means that if it can work without any charging cables here. BM800 microphone. This is to attach the microphone. Okay, if you're not using the phantom power, this will goes into the mic, and this one will goes direct to the V8 sound card. This is the phantom power. This is actually to power up the phantom power. This will eventually goes in here, and this part will actually goes to the phantom power. Immediately just do this. This one will goes into the microphone. The microphone is now connected to the phantom power. You just make sure the goes into the condenser mic here in the V8 sound card. Right now, what do you have here? You have the microphone connected to the phantom power, and the phantom power is now connected to the V8 sound card. Now you have live 2, accompanied instrument, charging, earphone, headset, and dynamic mic. This one is actually for you to connect to your live 1 or live 2. Live 1, live 2 basically means that you can put in your phone. You have 2 phones, for example, they can put one here, another one over here, and this one will goes to your phone. This is meant for iPhone. Okay, and this is just a 3mm adapter. You can plug it into any device. I have the phantom power and the microphone. This is now these two who have to stay connected to each other. Okay, whereas this guy is powered up by a power outlet where I'm using a power bank, and now this guy is now connected to the microphone. Okay, and it goes to the handphone. Now my handphone will be able to listen to the microphone, but first of all I need to power this up and power this up as well. Okay, so this one is already charged, so all I need to do is just to power up by clicking this. Let me just turn it here so it's easy to see. Click it for press and hold it for about 1-2 seconds. Yeah, there you go. This I have to go to a table. This one, the pop filter, will clip onto the mic handle. So I think I have the whole setup here. Oh, of course, let me just plug this in first. Putting on the earphone side, you have this charging port for you to put in here. Give us a thumbs up if you can, and thank you very much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.